Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. This solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. So the first step, we need to right click on the start icon and select run. You can also open the run by pressing Windows key plus R key together to open run. Now type here resmon.exe and hit enter. It will open resource monitor window. On this window we need to select the CPU tab, then in the associated handles we need to simply expand these and find out the particular folder name we want to delete. For example, I want to delete this folder in use, so I will type the folder in use and I will hit enter, and you will get some list of searches here. So what you have to do, for example, you will get something here, so simply right click on it and select end process, and then close this window and simply right click on it and select delete it. So that's it guys, your problem will be solved. You can also check out the description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be also a better way and effective one also. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.